Hi guys, today we are gonna see how the planets are sounds. Let's see these sounds of planets. Okay, let's start now with the sun. Oh my god. Let's go with repeat. I think the repeat does not work. Let's go with the mercury. Now, let's go to the Venus. These these planets are so scary, guys. Most of all, the Mercury is so strange. His sound is so strange. Let's go now with Venus. Okay, it looks like an alien sound. So the next one is the Earth. Oh, you know this, guys? I don't think we're gonna play it or not. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know. I think we should play it, okay? Yo, guys. This sound, that's not the sound of the Earth. That's strange. Maybe is this a fake or not? I don't know, guys, but I made this video from you guys. I think it's the true. Okay, let's go to the Mars. That's that sounds the Mars. It's true. Let's go with the Jupiter now. Oh, guys, so the Jupiter is so big, so that was it is the voice. Okay, now let's go to the Saturn. I hope this is not strange. Oh, that's fun. Okay, let's go now to the Uranus, the coldest planet. Oh, that's what it sounds because it is so cool. Oh, okay, let's go to Neptune. Oh, because I know, guys, because the Neptune is filled with water. Okay. Yo, black hole. I think I don't know if you should do this. I hope it is not loud. I think it is strange because it's called black hole. Let's go now. Oh, okay. So that it is, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite planet. They they have more planets Let me know in the comments if you want some more planets of sounds, guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this. My favorite is the Earth, but it is strange. Simply, I don't like the black hole. Okay, guys, bye.